All right, grab a dollar bill if you've got one. Feel it. Seems like paper, right? Well, what if I told you that's totally wrong? Today, we're going to dig into the amazing hidden science of your money.
So seriously, what do you think a dollar bill is actually made of? 99% of people would say paper. I mean, we call it paper money, so it makes sense. But the real story is way, way cooler.
Yup, you heard me. The cash you've got isn't paper. Not even a little bit. And why it's not paper? Well, that's the whole secret to how our money lasts so long and stays safe from fakes.
Okay, so to really get why it's not paper, you first have to wrap your head around just how much of this stuff is made. It's kind of mind-blowing, and it leads to this really interesting paradox.
Check this out. Every single day, the US government prints over $500 million in new cash. I mean, let that sink in. $541 million. With that much money flooding into the system constantly, you'd think we'd be swimming in it, right? And yet, we still hear about cash shortages and things like that. So what gives? Well, here's the thing. That constant printing isn't just to make more money, it's to replace the old stuff. Bills get worn out, torn, you name it. They have a tough life. So to survive all that abuse, our money has to be ridiculously durable. And that all comes down to what it's made of. So, we've established it's not paper. The big question is, what is it then? Let's pull back the curtain and see what's really going on inside your wallet.
And here it is, the big reveal. US money is actually a fabric. It's a special blend of 75% cotton and 25% linen. So it's not made from trees like regular paper. It's basically a piece of cloth. That's what gives it that unique feel and, more importantly, what makes it so incredibly tough.
Just think about it for a second. Take a piece of notebook paper, fold it a few times, it's already getting weak. Spill water on it, it's done for. But a dollar bill? Man, that thing can be folded thousands and thousands of times. Heck, it can even survive a trip through the washing machine. We've all done that. This stuff isn't just paper. It's engineered for a long, tough life.
But you know, being tough is only half the battle. The real genius goes deeper. Because literally woven into this special fabric is a kind of secret code, like a hidden DNA that makes every single bill secure.
And the security isn't just slapped on at the end. It's baked in from the very beginning. When they're mixing up that watery soup of cotton and linen fibers, they add a secret ingredient before it's even pressed into sheets. This is the first line of defense.
What are they adding? Well, if you look really, really closely at a bill, you can see these tiny little red and blue fibers. The key here is that they are not printed on the bill. They are physically embedded inside it, mixed in all randomly. There's just no way a counterfeiter can fake that with a regular printer. You can't just inject little threads into a piece of paper. It's such a simple idea, but it's brilliant and incredibly effective.
Okay, so we've got this super durable fabric, and we've got these secret fibers mixed in. But wait, there's more. There's another amazing high-tech security layer that you can actually see and play with yourself. And this time, it's all about the ink. It's this stuff called optically variable ink. And trust me, it's a total marvel of science. Basically, the ink is packed with these tiny microscopic metallic flakes. And these flakes reflect light differently depending on the angle you're looking at it from. It's a feature that's pretty much impossible for a scanner or a color copier to duplicate. Here's how you can see it for yourself. Grab a newer bill, like a 10 or a 20. Look at the number in the bottom right-hand corner. See how it looks kind of coppery when you look at it straight on? Okay, now just tilt the bill a little bit, and boom, it shifts to green, just like magic. That color change is a dead giveaway that the bill's real. It's an awesome interactive security feature that literally anyone can check in like 2 seconds. So let's recap real quick. The money in your pocket, it's not paper, it's a super tough cotton and linen fabric. It's got its own special DNA, those little red and blue fibers mixed right in. And on top of that, it's printed with this amazing color-shifting ink that you can see for yourself. Pretty cool, right? So here's my challenge to you. The next time you hold a dollar bill, don't just see it as money. Take a second and really look at it. You're not holding a simple piece of paper. You're holding a tiny masterpiece of material science, a piece of high-tech fabric designed to be tough, to be secure, and to last. So I gotta ask, will you ever look at a dollar the same way again?